Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn IELTS vocabulary words with their accurate meaning. So if you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Let's get started. Blameless, innocent, crazy, insane, noted, famous, madness, insanity, arrogant, haughty, awful, terrible, to disclaim, to deny, to vary, to differ, accurate, correct, sacristy, vastry, dreadful, terrible, immoderate, excessive, mind, intellect, vague, indistinct, mind, intellect, vague, instinct, understandable, comprehensible, indisputable, undeniable, terror, danger, highbrow, intellectual, cube, dice, remoted, isolated, gratuity, tip, abundant, ample, to misconceive, to misunderstand, denims, jeans, ecstasy, joy, magistrate, justice of the peace, eager, keen, wise, knowing, wise, knowing, crusade, campaign, to establish, to set up, neutral, impartial, vicious, ferocious, interplay, interaction, to desert, to abandon, touchdown, landing, oblique, indirect, to accomplish, to achieve, defective, faulty, mischievous, impish, dormant, inactive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel.